quick little video here. Basically, we're just going to go over a few things that I carry to an estimate. We're here just taking out some carpet and, of course, tearing out some of those staples. But anyway, what I carry to an estimate is, and this is also what I carry. This is like my main bag. If I'm in my work vehicle, I try to take this with me everywhere I go because I keep a battery or so for the half-inch impact I have in case I get a flat tire or anything. But not that this is even necessary. Of course, I got an RZ mask, which I don't even need. This is my main bag. Got a couple pens and a planner there. I've got a couple notebooks, and this is really what I write down, people's information when they call. Again, if they schedule an estimate or something, always try to take that with me. Of course, a Leatherman, and that's just, instead of carrying a bunch of tools, I've noticed a few times when I go to someone's house, there'll be something small there to fix. And an estimate, it always works great. If you're doing an estimate and they just got a loose screw or something, that's what fixed the issue. That's why I carry the Leatherman with me in here. And then also business cards. I like to give out 2 business cards at least to each homeowner. And then, of course, a measuring tape. And I do different type of work, so if I'm doing a pressure washing bit or anything, I'll have one of the measuring wheels if I have to measure something of great length. And sometimes I do use that on an exterior of a home. But yeah, that's basically what I carry with me if I'm going to go to someone's home and do an estimate. I have a measuring wheel, obviously, like I said, and then I have this long measuring tape that I bought before I bought the measuring wheel, but that's it basically. So also it depends on what type of work you do, but for what I do flooring, do a little bit of everything, a lot of painting, but a lot of my estimates are based on the square footage, or it just really depends on what I'm doing. But whether I'm painting or anything, I always find myself just measuring the room, especially if I'm going to be working on the interior of a home or something. So I hope that helps. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.